All right. Welcome to Friday, August 27th, 2021. Yesterday, we talked about the area of a rectangle, and today we are going to continue that conversation, the area of a rectangle. This is your review slide, and we are going to go over it now. You should already have this done. You should have already had it done a long time ago. So, it says, draw a complete rectangle with one side length of 3. Label both sides and label the area. So I'm going to start here with a 3. Now, I saw a lot of different answers that were accurate. Let's see here. If I draw this like this, and I make this my rectangle, what is a possible side length that this could be? Make sure that whatever you choose is a reasonable question. Let's do this. That's why you're here. Okay? Be with me and you'll figure it out. All right? What is a reasonable number we could put inside of this circle? Annabelle?
5.
5? Who agrees that maybe 5 would be reasonable? Okay. Is there another number that might be reasonable? Tucker?
6.
6? Thumbs if you think 6 might be reasonable? Sure. What about the number 1? Is the number 1 going to be a reasonable number to put in this circle? No. Why not? Why not? Cora? This line, this is way longer than this, right? So it can't be a 1. Can it be a 2?
No.
No. Can it be a 3?
No.
No. If it was a 3, it would have to be what? The same or equal, right? So 4, maybe. But who said 5? Someone said 5. Annabelle, I really like 5 better. And maybe 6. Do you think we might be able to push it even and make it 7? Maybe. What about like 13? 13, because it's way too short. If we wanted it to be 13, our box would have to be a lot. What? Longer. Very good. Our box would have to be a lot longer if we wanted it to be 13. So we're going to go with 5. So I'm going to draw. So here is my model. Now, let's work together to count. I want Jaden to lead us as we count the inside of this box. We've drawn a rectangle with one side. No, wait, before we do that, let me ask you a question. This side is 3, and so this side is also 3. Look, 1, 2, 3. This side here is also 3. If this side is 5, this one's going to be 5. Because the directions say, draw a complete rectangle. Can I draw something that looks like this?
No.
No, because we're missing this piece here, correct? It has to be a complete rectangle. So, let's see here. Oh, Jaden, you're going to lead us, right? We're going to count together. Jaden, we're going to start counting. Go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
What's my area, Jaden? Why is my area 15? Someone help her. Why is my area 15? Emma?
Because there was 15 squares.
Inside of my rectangle. Very good. Now, we have talked already a couple times. Pardon me, viewers. Try to hold this still. What is this right here? What does it say? Math toolbox. This is where we put our strategies, where we put the different ways that we can come up with an answer. This is one strategy where we drew a picture, and that is a great strategy for you to use to draw a picture to find your answer. Is that going to be the speediest? Nah. Maybe not. What is a faster way that I can find the solution here? Can I write a number sentence is my question. What kind of number sentence could I write, Tucker?
Oh, 5 times 3 is 3 times 5.
5 times 3 or 3 times 5. Very good. I could write 5 times 3 equals 15. Yes. Is that the same as drawing this picture? We doing the same thing? Yes, because we are counting 3 5 times. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that gets us 15, right? That gets us 15. Okay, so raise your hand if you had something different than 3 and 5. What did you have, Izzy?
I had 3 and 10.
3 and 10, and what was your area?
32.
Her numbers are 3 and 10. What's her area? 30. 30. What did you have, Dominic?
3 and 1.
3 and 1, and what was your area?
8.
How was it 8? Look at what you have 3 and 1. So you have a little box like, oh, shoot. You have this little box here, 1 and 3. How many boxes do you have inside of there? Huh?
3.
Yeah. So what's your area? 1, 2, 3. So what's your area? 3. Dominic's area was 3. Good job. What'd you have, Chloe?
I have 3 and 2.
3 and 2. What's your area?
Mine's 12.
Listen, guys. So you have 3 and 2. Two and 3, correct? What's your area? How many are inside of here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your area is 6. Cameron, what did you have?
6 and 3.
6 and 3, and what was your area? 18, correct. Anna? 3 and 3, and your area was 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Your area is 9. Annabelle, what did you have?
3, 4.
What was your area?
12.
12. Very good. Let's talk about this. Let's get on our review, underneath our review slide, draw our squiggly line to separate the review slide from the classwork. The review slide from the classwork, and let's make sure that we know. I want you to draw a box, a rectangle with a side length of 2 and a side length of 4. Here is what your box should look like. You guys can close your Chromebooks. You're done with these.
You should be on the back so that you have it on the right side.
Look, it's on the board. Draw a box with the area, a side length of 2 and a side length of 4. So you have a 2 here and a 4 here. Are you with me online, kids? Let me see your paper. A 2 and a 4. You got a box with a 2 and a 4? All right. We're going to review this from yesterday. A 2 and a 4. Look here. I've got 2 going across, all the way across my rectangle, correct? And then I have the 4. Now, to find the area, think about, does anybody ever heard the term area rug? No? Think about when you put a rug down. And the rug, all the space, there are things called area rugs. I'll just tell you. There are things called area rugs. They're really big rugs that go inside of like a whole room. It'd be like a rug that almost fills this whole entire room. It covers a lot of area, right? And so when it does that, if you count all of the space inside the area, that's how you find area. I feel like I'm saying that word a lot. Area, right? So you're not going to count around the outside. You're going to count on the inside. How many boxes do we have? Cameron? We have 8 boxes. So our area is 8. Now, I can write a number sentence. I can write a number sentence for this box, this rectangle. What would it look like? Emma?
2 times 4.
Is that it? Just 2 times 4? Or do I need to finish it?
Equals 8.
2 times 4 equals 8. Very good. Now, let's do one more before we move on to today's lesson. What are the side lengths of this box? This one here. What are the side lengths here? Annabelle?
2 by 2.
This is a 2 by 2. What's the area here, Gracie?
4.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And so what's my number sentence going to be? My area is 4. What's my number sentence going to be, Alea? 2 times 2 equals 4. This is how you find the area of a rectangle. This is how you find the area of a rectangle. Okay? Okay. So, we're on your paper underneath the squiggly line. You're getting ready to write something down? I'm going to put 4 equations up here on the board. And I want you to write the answers down without doing any work on your paper. Without doing any work on your paper. So, just write the answer. I want you to use mental math to do this. Just write the answer. 2 times 7 equals, what is it? Just write the answer down. The next one is, no, that's not it. 4 times 7. Just write down the answer. Don't do any work. Just write down the answer. Make sure you're keeping your answers real private. We don't want people looking around on other people's papers. Hold your papers. We don't want people looking around on other people's papers trying to snatch your answer away from you. You keep your answer to yourself. You know what I'm saying? We want everybody to figure out their own answers here. Next one. Ready for the last one? This is the trickiest one yet. Write down the answer. No work, no thoughts, just the answer. All right. What's the first answer? Everybody together. We all know our twos. What's the answer?
14.
14. Ooh, what's the next answer?
28.
How'd you know that? What was your strategy, Emma?
I counted by 7.
Ooh, she counted by sevens in your head? Okay, so 7, 14, 21, 28. Good. Counting by sevens. That's good. What's the next one, Cole?
21.
21. What was your strategy, Cole?
I knew the answer.
Oh, he just knew. He knows his sevens, or maybe he knows his threes. Which one do you know, your sevens or your threes? Both? Awesome. Anytime it said 3 times 7, did anybody just start singing the song? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and we're done. What's wrong? What's wrong with you? What's the matter? Why are you doing that?
Because I sneezed.
Oh, you sneezed. I thought you were choking. That scared me. Now, how did we find this answer? Izzy?
I got the answer 49, and I just counted by 7s.
Counted by sevens. What'd you do, Emma?
I sang the 7 song in my head.
Sang the 7 song. Chloe?
So last I just knew it because I remembered from last year.
Good. You guys know your multiplication facts. That's great. Those of you that may not have known it, are you allowed to use resources that you have to help you find answers that you don't know? You allowed to do that? Sure are. Check this out. This is a 7, right? This is a 7, right? This is a 7? Yeah? If I add these two things, what's it going to equal?
7.
So if I add these two things, what am I going to get, Dominic? 8 plus, I'm going to add them. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. And those of you that already know your sevens or sang the song know that the answer 49 is correct. So look what I did here. These were already sevens. I added these two factors to get 7, which told me that I could add these things up to get 7 as well. Yes, Gabe?
I have my own way. I know how 8 is 1 higher than 7, so with the 4 I just doubled that number, and then took away 7.
Nice strategy, Gabe. I like that. Very good job. All right. Now, here is what I want to do. I'm going to give you a number. We have a few short minutes. No, not that. Draw me a rectangle with an area of 18. When you have one done, raise your hand. Bless you. Bless you. Goodness. Draw me a rectangle. Draw me a rectangle with an area of 18. And when you have one, raise your hand. Cole? Anybody else starting to draw 2? 2 and 9? No, just Cole? Who else is ready?
I am.
Yeah, 2 and 9? Who else is ready? What do you got, Izzy?
I did 3, 5, 6. I did 2 and 9 too.
3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 by 6. Good job. Who else had a 3 by 6?
I did.
Yeah? You already had it? Good. And what's the other number? What's another one? What's another one? Dominic? Make sure it's a rectangle and that the boxes inside your rectangle equal 18. Is that going to equal 18?
4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4.
Or we haven't been doing any adding though. I know, but we haven't been adding these. That's not how you find area. Area is 4 times 4. Cole?
9 and 2.
9 and 2 we got right here. Are we allowed to take this and flip it up on its side? That would be the same. Be the same. I'm looking for one more. I'm looking for one more. Cole?
1 and 18.
1 and 18. Very nice. See if I can get this right. Nice. 1 and 18. Now, each one of these boxes has a number sentence that goes with it. What's the number sentence that goes with this box right here, Gracie? Is that a complete number sentence or do we need to finish it? Go ahead. Good job. What about this one here? Cameron. 3 times 6 equals 18. What about this one here? Chloe.
18 times 1 equals 18.
Let's say 1 times 18 equals 18. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now, does anyone know what these numbers are called inside of these yellow circles? This is our learning target today. To learn what these are called and how to list them. You know what they're called? Nope.
Multiple.
Nope. Nope.
Perimeter.
Nope.
Area.
Nope.
Factors.
Factors. Good job. Good job. I had to write the word fact up here for the other class. Oh, man. Oh, man. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on 1 second, please. Just hold on. You guys are doing a great job today. I'm so proud of you. These are called factors. These are called factors. Are these numbers I'm underlining? Are they also the factors?
Yes.
Yes. So keep that in mind. I'm going to go to the next page. I want you to remember what numbers we circled in this and what factors we had. We're looking for 18. We're looking for what are the factors of 18. When you are looking for factors of a number, if you can draw a box and the side lengths are right, that's a factor. So let's go over to the next slide and let's list our factors. So we're looking for 18. What was the first factor? Who remembers? Tucker?
2 and 9.
2 and 9. What were some other ones? Remington?
3 and 6.
3 and 6. Great job, bud. What was the last one? Annabelle?
1.
Yep.
And
1 and? Think about the box. 1 was on one side. What was on the bottom?
18.
That's it. Good job. 1 and 18. You have just drawn your first factor rainbow. This number goes with this number. This number goes with this number. And this number goes with this number. Why do all of these numbers go with 18? Why do all of these numbers go in a rainbow with the number 18, Izzy?
Because they're factors of it when you multiply it.
When you multiply them together, they equal 18. Now, can I multiply the 1 with the 3 and get 18? No. I have to keep the 1 with the 18, right? You have to keep the right numbers with the right numbers. Does that make sense? This is called a factor rainbow. And you are going to be using these to do a lot of math things. Now, next slide. Now, to find factors, if you can draw a complete rectangle and all of the boxes inside the rectangle equal whatever number you're looking for, then those two numbers are the factors. Do you see how we did that?
Yeah.
We will go over this on Monday in our review slide, where we will bounce off of this into another lesson about factors and multiples, and we're going to bring those two things together. Because factors and multiples are very close family, very close-knit things, okay? Hey, you guys did a great job today. Those of you online, I love you so much. If you missed this lesson, I hope this helps. Factors and multiples in 4th grade. I'm going to stop this recording, and we're going to wrap up our class here. Okay.